In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use the word count tool in Microsoft Word to enhance your productivity and ensure your documents meet any necessary requirements. Understanding how to use this tool can greatly benefit anyone who frequently works with text, be it for academic, professional, or personal projects. Let's begin by opening your Microsoft Word file. Once your document is open, take a moment to look towards the bottom left corner of your screen. Here, you'll notice some useful details displayed, usually right next to the information about the number of pages. Among these details, you'll see a word count. This is your document's total word count, providing a quick snapshot of how many words are currently in your file. Now, if you're interested in discovering the word count of a specific sentence or perhaps a particular section, Word has you covered too. Simply highlight the text you want to count. The word count indicator automatically adjusts to reflect the number of words in your selected text. For instance, if you're working on a document with 1,400 words and highlight a sentence, it might show 30 out of 1,400 words, which indicates the length of that particular sentence. This feature is especially useful when you need to adhere to specific word limits or edit your documents more surgically by understanding exactly how much content you're working with at any given moment. Now, to access a more detailed breakdown of your document's statistics, utilize the word Count Tool button itself. Click on it, and a window will pop up that provides a comprehensive array of information. Not only will it list the number of words, but also pages, characters, both including and excluding spaces, paragraphs, and even lines. This detailed overview can be particularly advantageous for tracking character limits or ensuring text fits within set parameters, which is common in tasks like writing abstracts or preparing presentations where character count might be restricted. Once you've familiarized yourself with these features, you'll find it much easier to manage the content of your documents. Be it for trimming down text to meet a specified limit or simply gaining a clearer understanding of your writing habits, these tools offer substantial utility. There you have it, a straightforward yet powerful way to track and manage word counts in Microsoft Word. By integrating this tool into your regular workflow, you can optimize the efficiency of your writing process and ensure everything you produce fits perfectly, whether it's a college essay, a business report, or your next great novel. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. Until next time, happy writing!